I'm Supriya and I welcome you to Supriya's Kitchen. So today I'm going to share super comfort and very easy and simple recipe of creamy mushroom and chicken pasta. This is very simple recipe and best for your lunch, even for dinner. So let's get started. So first we'll see what all the ingredients are required for making this. Minimal ingredients are required. So here I have this approximately 1 cup of cream. Here for seasoning I have garlic powder, some crushed black pepper, chili flakes and also some salt. Here I have lots of garlic. So this is basically thyme herb I'm going to use. Here I have some spinach. Here these are some mushrooms. I'm going to use white mushrooms. These are easily available in the market. So you can take mushroom of any variety, whichever you like. Here I have some shell pasta. So I have already boiled it. I have some chicken and also I'm using some butter and some pepper jack cheese. So you can choose any cheese whichever you like. You can use mozzarella, cheddar. It is up to you. Into this pan I have already added approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let it just heat and then we will start making. So this is nicely heated up. Now I will add chicken into this. And I'm just going to season it with some crushed black pepper. And also some salt. Now let it just cook. It will take approximately 5 to 8 minutes. So here our chicken is done. Once this is done, make sure that your flame should be on medium flame now so that it will not get burned. Now into this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of butter. So once the butter is nicely melted, I will add garlic. So here the finely chopped garlic goes in. Beautiful. Now into this I will add thyme herb. Mix it well. At the same time I am going to add my mushrooms into this. Now we are going to just saute it for 3 to 4 minutes or until the mushrooms are nicely turned into light golden brown color. Mushrooms are nicely done. Nicely get sauteed and it becomes soft. Now I will add into this heavy cream. So when you add cream, make sure your flame should be on low. Beautiful. So now we are going to just simmer it for 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to become thick. Beautiful color it has got. Now I will add the seasoning. So here goes approximately 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Some crushed black pepper. I'm also adding a little bit of red chili flakes. And at last goes some salt. So make sure that you add salt as per your taste. It should not be too much. Beautiful. I will also add some cheese. So approximately 1/3 cup I have grated the cheese. Mix it well. So here if you want to skip the cheese, you can simply go ahead and skip the cheese. You can just make it with heavy whipping cream. Now it started to become thick, like here you can see. Okay, into this I will add my all these boiled pasta. At last I will add some spinach. Mix it well. So here this creamy mushroom chicken pasta is now done, because I don't want to cook spinach too much and everything is perfectly done. So at last you can just grate little bit more cheese. And this is done. Wonderful. So this is now done. I will just switch off the flame. Beautiful. And now I'm just going to taste it. It is super yummy. On mushroom. Amazing. So creamy, wonderful taste, and you know that thyme flavor is coming. It's just amazing. Must try out this recipe and let me know in the comment box how did it come up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further wonderful videos, and don't forget to hit on bell icon so that you will never miss the updates. See you in the next episode. Till then, enjoy food and stay healthy. Bye bye.